Hello, Kitty. Thank you. My assistant here. Okay, so this is 10 bald cypress trees that I've had in water, and they are nearly all sprouting. This one, oh yep, we got sprouts down here. So all 10 of these are sprouting. I don't know if you can see. Let's see. Lovely, 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 lovely green shoots of happiness. And the roots, lots of new happy roots, tons of roots. They were fairly bare before, but I planted one more of the red buds. All of the red buds are sprouting. Even the ones in newspapers and water are sprouting. The 10 healed wild plums and the 10 healed red mulberries are all doing well in their healed locations. They're sprouting. Not so much that I can't dig them up. Please don't do that, cat. You're so sweet. Stop it. Mine. 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 No, not a toy. Anyway, I mowed for a little bit. It's freaking hot. I think I am going to put these in the outbuilding because these were in the laundry room. So they're going to migrate to the outbuilding to get more hardened up to the outdoor temperatures and the warmth. And then we're going to start putting some slits in the ground and planting these bad boys in the next week, hopefully. But I want to get all my red buds in, and then I'm going to do these cypresses, and then I'll go back and do the healed saplings because these guys grow big and they're big. So they're next up on the list. But anyway, like and subscribe if you want to see more of this, and we'll do a little bit more segments and reviews. Well, I'm stopping early. It's too hot, and I have an offer to go out to eat. Mulberries are early ones are starting to get ripe. They're not that big because we haven't had a lot of rain in the past week, so they've ripened at the size they are at. And I'm eating them. Don't fall off the tree. And they have good flavor this time. They're so pretty. Hello, friend. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna come out here tomorrow and pick me some. I think that's a future plant. No. Shit. Just, if they fall off, they're ready. So if you touch them and they come away in your hand, you even have to just barely touch them, and they're ready. I won't have a shit if I eat too many of these, so we're going inside.